have to like
Everybody's getting a sugar cube.
I will be doing a small little giveaway
For winter break.
This place is giant. I have to get pictures taken of my teeth. Also, I have a really big pimple.
Are you vlogging this?
I'm vlogging. No, don't show that. It's a lot of really ugly pictures of my mouth. Stop. I don't want people to see that. Ew. You know when you go to the orthodontist, they have to take all the weird pictures. Also, this pimple. It's so big. She complimented my nails though. The lady did. So we are now out of the orthodontist, but I learned that my airway is very small to breathe. Apparently my tonsils take up a lot of space in my throat, so I only have like this tiny little airway to go to a place to look at that. And also I need to get my wisdom teeth out soon, probably. That's what they said. It's better to do it early. It's now 8. My school starts at 8:20, so I'll probably be on time, maybe a little bit late, but success. I'm in math class now, first period, when my bestie told her. I'm gonna make this an everyday thing. Told her check. Why won't you just talk to my vlog? Wow, that's good. Every day we're gonna try and convince him to talk more to my vlog. We just did a worksheet and I did pretty much all of it because he doesn't know how to do it.
What?
Yes, I did it all right. And you were like,
Name one thing I messed up.
and you were like, oh Katie, you're so smart. I didn't think you were gonna be able to do it. Exactly.
I did it all.
And I did these problems and you didn't know how to do those problems.
You didn't do it.
Yes, I did. You're such a liar.
You lie, I lied.
This is where we are right now. Tuesday the 10th. And then we have a quiz right there. And then winter break after finals. Say goodbye to my vlog. Okay. McDonald, can you be in my vlog now?
I'm kind of in the middle of something. I can vlog. Hey, everybody's getting a sugar cube. They expired 3 years ago.
We did all of this side row.
I can't remember which one's which, but these are the strongest spaces.
Dang.
What are you doing?
Recording you.
Why?
Because you're gonna be on the internet. Doesn't your daughter watch my videos?
I don't know.
You told me that one time.
Well, her friend did.
Oh, her friend. Say hi to her friend.
Hi. Miss McDonald, I'm gonna make a TikTok.
Here, I'm done. She loves us.
Did you look these up or did you just guess? I'm looking it up now.
I am the worst vlogger in the whole world. Guess what time it is? Just guess. It's 6:30 at night. Today at school was so busy and so boring. I guess I just completely forgot to film anything besides my science teacher. And then I got home from school at 3 and I fell asleep all the way till 6. I woke up 15 minutes ago and realized that this vlogmas is 2 minutes long. Hi, I was exhausted when I got home because I had to wake up at 5:45 this morning, go to the ortho. I also didn't do an intro, so welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. But I'm gonna go upstairs and see what people are doing. I'm hungry. Also, I have this big pile of clean clothes that I need to put away in my room, and that's about it. I also have this pimple sticker on. If you've never heard of the pimple stickers, they're these little circles that you put on a pimple, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Supposedly, it like gets all the gunk out and disinfects it if you leave it on for hours. It's already been on for 3 because I slept for 3 hours. I was so tired, y'all. Please do not be mad at me. Sometimes a girl just needs to catch up on her sleep. What's for dinner?
Well, I had some barbecue chips and a couple of cookies.
For dinner?
I mean, it was a snack.
It's 6:15.
But I'm full now.
And just woke up from a 3-hour nap.
3 hours?
Went to bed at 3, woke up at 6.
Dang.
So back to dinner.
There's burritos in the freezer and pizza rolls.
Oh my goodness.
I think there's a salad in there.
So I got assigned to do Canva cards today
What's
for
that?
a film class. When someone's reading the morning announcements, we have all the information on a screen, and someone has to make the screens, and those take forever because normally there's like 15, and you have to have the time. Really?
You have to like...
You have to have the time, date, location, and make it pretty. It takes forever.
You have to write it nice?
Yeah, and I did not want to do it because I was so tired. So I paid someone to do it for me.
You paid him?
Yeah.
Won't you get in trouble for that?
Maybe. I was so tired. And it is the worst job you can ask anybody. And it's the last week. We have a morning show. So it's just like, there's
Ready
no
to be
way.
done.
Yeah. He got some money and I didn't have to do it. And it worked out. Have you ever heard of the saying, okay, boomer?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
How?
I read a whole article about it.
Really?
Yes, it's an insult. No, it is. It's basically calling someone
Old.
a baby boomer,
Yeah.
which means you were born in like the 1950s.
Yeah. She's like super popular on TikTok. Her name's Charlie.
Oh, I like her name.
She has 9 million followers.
She has good moves.
She's a professional dancer.
Why is she singing to a song that has bad words in it.
Because everyone sings the songs that have bad words in them. You haven't heard of Charlie D'Amelio?
No.
She's so popular right now.
So she moves her upper body.
She's famous because all boys think she's pretty.
This is bad lighting, girl. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm just gonna be like this. No, I have no need to remove my finger from my chin. So can I go back to my reading of my articles?
I am so ready for winter break. I have a quiz and a test on the same day. And the next week is finals week and my grades are not good right now. I have like 85s in all my classes. Yeah. This is the empty bag of chips that my mom ate. I think a fact about me that a lot of people don't know about my channel and about like my lifestyle. My family doesn't really eat meals unless we go out. And my parents work all day like a lot of other people. And so they're just so tired when they get home. They don't cook very often. And that's not a bad thing. It's been like that my whole life. So typically we're on our own for eating dinner. And we like to call that snack dinner. And everyone who knows me knows this. We never eat full meals and it's like not good. But for dinner, like my mom says, she had cookies and chips. It was just like bad, but it's normal for our family. That's what I'm gonna be eating. So if you judge what I eat, I'm so sorry. It's my body and I know I'm not the best in shape and it's not good, but my mom makes the best chocolate chip cookies. She literally made these two things like Sunday or Saturday. Tell me why there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cookies left and both of them were full. That means someone been eating all the cookies. I don't know what I'm supposed to eat. Here's salad. And by the way, this is the best Caesar dressing in the whole world. I don't know where my mom buys it, but it's Marzetti's Supreme Caesar dressing. No preservatives. If you love Caesar salad, this is the best dressing. You will not regret it. I just put a big old bowl together. Oh wow, it's dripping. I'm sorry that this vlog is probably seeming a little bit slow. It's just because I'm genuinely so tired. And if you guys don't know, I'm not trying to blame this on anything, but I do have anemia, which is a lack of iron in the body, meaning I have to take supplements for it. One of the main effects of having anemia and being anemic is you are overly tired. Since I did go to bed pretty late last night and woke up really early this morning, I'm exhausted and that affects my personality, it causing me to be more mellow and like not as bubbly as normal. So this is just me when I'm tired. I'm gonna eat now. I feel like I'm always eating in my vlogs. I'll eat and then we'll go clean my room. Maybe. Actually, maybe we won't.
Bryan Little.
So obviously you saw I separated and put all my laundry away besides these, which are what I need to hang. But now I'm just going to do my advent calendar. So today is actually Vlogmas Day 10 and in this video I will be doing a small little giveaway. This is not going to be as big as my last giveaway. I will not be giving away the second Echo Dot yet, but don't worry, this will be coming very soon. But I will be giving away a whole thing of makeup. I said this in my last giveaway, but I get sent a lot of PR makeup, which is super amazing. A lot of PR makeup and skincare, and I only have one face, so I can't use it all. So I thought it would be amazing to give away makeup to whoever wins the giveaway. Before we do the advent calendar, the rules for this giveaway are you must be following my Instagram at Caiti_Mackenzie, and you will receive a DM from me if you win. A lot of people said that they can't enter because they don't have Instagram, but that is the only way I can contact you. I don't want to email you because I know a lot of scam people email people pretending to be the person who's giving the stuff away. You must be following my Instagram at Caiti_Mackenzie, and you must be subscribed to this channel with post notifications on, and you must be subscribed to my main channel, Katie's Corner, with post notifications on. And you must leave one comment down below with your Instagram username and why you would like to win the makeup. If you're not into makeup, you can re-gift it as gifts, give it away, sell it, I don't know. It's all the same rules as my last giveaway. One comment with your Instagram handle and why you would like to win. I'll contact you via Instagram DM, and this will only be open for 48 hours. It is a much smaller giveaway than last time because I won't be giving away like a big old Amazon Echo Dot, but I will be giving away a substantial amount of makeup. I will put all the makeup that I'm giving away on the screen for you guys. I have to go through it and sort. Hopefully you guys enjoy that little thing though. It's Vlogmas Day 10. meaning we only have 15 days till Christmas, and I was like, you know what, we did one on Vlogmas Day 5, let's do one on Vlogmas Day 10. I'll be announcing the giveaway winner probably Vlogmas Day 12 or 13. You'll definitely know. I did ship out the first giveaway winner package today, so that's amazing. I'm so excited for her to be able to get that. With that being said, let's do our advent calendar. Day 10 is right here and it has this cute little dude on it right there. Let's see what we got. Ooh, y'all, I have not seen this. Gnome pinballs. Have no idea what this is. They smell fruity. It's chewy like gum. A little sour. That's so good. There's a yellow one. They knew it'd be for me. The yellow one is so good. Much better than the green one. This is probably have to be my favorite thing I've gotten in the advent calendar so far. I can't believe we're almost halfway done. That's crazy. Our advent calendar has so many open holes. So I think I'm gonna end Vlogmas right here now. Thank you guys for watching. I know this Vlogmas may have put you in like a little bit of a sadder mood. I wasn't as like bubbly as I normally am, and I'm so sorry for that. But everybody knows that's how life is. Sometimes you have a super great day, and I'm not saying my day was bad. I'm just extremely exhausted. And I'm hoping to get a good night's sleep tonight so that way I can wake up tomorrow with a better attitude. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. You have a chance of winning a lot of makeup. I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me along this Vlogmas journey. Don't forget 15 days until Christmas. With all that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 11. Peace in the Middle East.